Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily play Jumbo Jet Flight Simulator on PC. So the first thing that you want to do is scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you're going to do it, you'll end up right here to Ldplayer, and you want to click download Ldplayer, and then this is like installation video for you. So when you're going to have it, download Ldplayer, and you're going to choose where you want to install it. And now when you're going to have it, you're going to choose like OK, Home, System App, Play Store. You're going to find Jumbo Jet Simulator and click play here. And now I'm going to add the control to move here. And when it's going to 158, we are going to take off. And that's how you're going to play it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.